Welcome back to my channel. I am mstrvndev. If you're first time coming to my channel, please hit the button subscribe and like, even share. I really appreciate for your all support. And now we are going to move to the next video.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get CAPCUT Pro for free, 100% for free. In 2025, the latest version of the CAPCUT. Alright, let's get into it. So first of all, you have to open CAPCUT regularly. That's pretty easy, right? Install the CAPCUT and then install and then open it up. So first of all, you see this, you have to sign in to join Pro, right? No, we're not gonna join the Pro. I'll check the version to show you this is the latest version, right? Get access to the beta version already. Alright. So first of all, I want you to adjust the folder. You have to create a folder like easier for you to get the final output, the final result after you do some tricks. Alright, follow me. So get a folder test, select the folder, and then see the folder, the desktop, out on the desktop, right? Alright, then you save it and you create a project. I'll do like an example for y'all, understand it easier. Alright, I'm gonna pick the random video. Let me see which one. I prefer this. Oh, what is that? Here. I prefer this. Alright. I'm gonna apply it to. Alright, I'm gonna extract. Okay, insert the caption, subtitle. That's one of the Pro feature. You see it, Pro? Label for Pro, right? Alright, then I'm gonna add some more Pro features. As you see, the diamond gem label right here, the icon, real quick. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. Like some Pro feature, for example. Then you see this when you export. Oh, you are using following Pro features, so you have to pay for it. No, I'm gonna pay for no money. All right, and even get free Pro. No Joy Pro at all. I'm gonna back to the edit, and then like I'm gonna select everything, and then I'm gonna create compile clip sub project. Okay, follow me step by step. You're gonna get the final result, the final video, the perfect output I promised. You see that? And then you're gonna click the pre-process compile clip. Alright, you see that? Waiting to pre-process. So we got 4 features to wait for. Alright, we have to wait for all Pro features apply to the video. I'll skip the time to save the length of the video. We have to wait for apply 3 features to click inside, and pre-process as well. So I'll skip the time until it's done, right? Alright, right, wait for it. Alright. It's been a while. It took like kinda long, man. Alright, after done it, after waiting for apply those features, then this is the quick magic. Watch out. Alright. So you're gonna look for the path, mean the location where you set up to save your file, your videos. So I'm gonna look up for that right now. For example, like I just save in this folder, then hit it, sources, alright, there we go. So we'll see like the file .mp4, these two, right? We'll drag it in to check if which one is correct one. Alright, you will see that you're gonna delete the original one. You're gonna move to the right. Alright, you're gonna delete one. I mean, whatever that would be. Perfect. Alright, so then you're gonna play it to see if all the pro features apply or not. You see that? All the subtitles, the quality of the video has been enhanced and everything, pro features, they all applied in this video. Alright, perfect. Just hit export. For example, I'll export like test feed. Right. I want to save the desktop real quick. Export in Ultra HD. No, we're not gonna use that. We use the normal export because we already applied those pro features in it. Just waiting for it. This is cool, right? This is real magic, right? Alright, I'll skip the time, to done the export. Alright, see, almost done. I just skipped the time until we're done. Alright, perfectly finished. Open the folder where we save the vid. Alright, right here. Check this out. See what's going on. Okay. Wait a minute. Open with legacy. Wait a minute. Okay, so you play the video. I'll try it again. First open up search the player. Open up because my media player got issue, so I have to use this player. See, completely perfect output. That's a little quick trick. Hope that would help you in your editing stuff. And alright, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and support me. The link of donation in the below description. Appreciate that for watching my video. Please subscribe for more content like this.